This point of view is the same as the one chosen by Giorgione to portray Montagnana in a famous sanguine drawing today exposed in Rotterdam. From here, the junction between the 13th century walls and the castle is visible. Huge differences in color and building typology are also evident in the passage from the more ancient walls and the others dating to the Dakarara's period. It's here that a series of 24 towers begins. Built in the 14th century, they served as guard posts to the town. The moat is the original one, even if in this point it's partially filled in. A green area to the left announces the nearby Villa Pisani, designed by Andrea Palladio. Looking deep to the south, the castle of San Zeno stands massively out. It's a result of consecutive superimpositions carried out from the feudal age to the Austrian domination, when it was extended with a projecting part, whose foundations and some meters of walls are still visible.